Ang akin lang is, katulad ng ibang mga kongreso na nagkaroon ng impeachment court, malinaw ang daan kung paano nila gagawin yun. Remember, I believe it was during the Corona impeachment trials, it was morning, the impeachment was in the morning, if I'm not mistaken, and then afternoon, trabaho. Diba? Pwede naman ganun. Pwede naman baliktarin. Gusto mo, pwede. Morning, magtrabaho. Hapon, mag-impeachment court. Pwede din yun. Pero may linaw na paraan, may linaw na proseso, alam namin anong gagawin namin. As far as I'm concerned now, we don't know. Hindi naman kami pinagsasabihan. Ang gusto ni Senate President, magdebate at magbutuhan sa floor. That, for me, that's not right. He should show, I'm sorry, no, he should show leadership and say, okay, let's meet. Itong plano, itong gusto nating gawin, diba? And of course, we will agree with him if we think it's necessary. Pero we need a plan of action. It cannot be magsasparring lang kami sa Senate floor. We cannot be just sparring in the Senate floor. Hindi maganda yun. And it will look like we are chaotic as an institution. I'm sorry to say.